our ink is out there on all of that packaging.
Catalogs, magazines, anything that's in a grocery store. Pharmaceutical packaging, potato chip bags, milk cartons, soda pop, beer and beverage, wine labels, all kinds of things.
It's fun when you stand around with friends and say, "This is our ink." It's cool.
It takes the right chemistry to make Coca-Cola Red or Bud Light Blue. The right kind of chemistry that can also turn your first job at Inks into a long, successful career.
The first position was, I was a porter.
I started as a tax clerk in accounting.
I worked at the order desk for some time.
1977, I was a mill operator for our Milwaukee branch. So 39 years later, I'm the COO.
Well, my first job was as a tub washer or a vat washer, where we make the printing ink in a big vat.
Inks is a phenomenal place to work for. If you have the drive and the determination to grow within the company, this company's for you.
Inks is the third largest ink manufacturing company in North America, fourth largest in the world, and although we're a big company, we kind of operate as a small family company.
That's one thing I like about INX International is I feel good about coming to work. I think the most important is the people. We have great people throughout. It's not just at my branch, but it's at corporate. It comes from corporate down.
So we're looking for people who have that long-term goal, and with our company, it's a definite possibility for the right people to make this their final job and have a full career with one company.
We're looking for all kinds of positions. We're looking for a starting position in manufacturing or in the laboratories or R&D. Basically, we're always looking for chemists. There's also sales positions, there's administrative positions.
There's such a variety of skills and abilities that are needed and taken advantage of.
Along with opportunity for growth, Inks also cares about your well-being.
I think the benefits are fantastic.
Great medical program, eye, dental, vision program, they're just phenomenal.
We have life insurance, long-term disability, short-term disability, as well as voluntary benefits, such as pet insurance, identity theft insurance, credit union, that kind of thing.
The 401k benefit, it's great. I mean, they're up there helping you and encouraging you to save in your 401k.
And most important, there's job security.
People are worried about stability in their jobs or their careers. There's always going to be color. There's always going to be packaging. There's always going to be some things that need special products. So INX International is going to be around for a long time.
So if you're looking to build a solid career, a career that provides security, growth, and pride in what you do, look to Inks.
I don't go to work and say I'm going to work. This is what I do. I love what I do. I love working for INX International.